I'm gonna apply this right here. What I'm gonna do a centerpiece first, and just a little bit, and no wet top coat. I am not gonna apply whole nail yet because I want this centerpiece to be set first, because it's kind of nice and heavy, and it is spinning. There's different color. Oh, hold on, I found the different. Oh, I want that one. It's really cool. Maybe the next step I should do this one again because it's so cool. Kind of heavy. All right, so then it's curved on the base, so then it's go right into the nails. And I'm gonna flash cure this one and keep it flat, and flash cure this one for 30 seconds or 10 seconds to just get it set. So can you keep that really flat? Just don't let it move. Let me see.
Should be good.
All right. Keep it flat. He'll hold his breath, because if he move, it's gonna go on either left or the right. So then we're gonna have to do like crooked crystal centerpiece. So let's hope for the best, because sometimes it travel from here this area and move to the light right next to me. It's like, because it's kind of heavy. So I'm gonna using thank you, Nuna. Hey Cece, hey, how are you, love? Hope everyone have a great day. Hey Tony, how are you? Happy Tuesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. All right. Not bad at all.
Spin.
You lock it in there already.
It's okay.
It's okay, but it's still a nice centerpiece. I'm gonna apply the condensed glue gel. It's our biggest, strongest formula to keep your crystal from flat back 3D charm chains in one place. So I'm gonna apply our entire nails because I think a little bit crooked because it's run, but I want to make the best out of it. And I'm gonna doing the no wet top coat. Can I get the tray right there? Thank you. I'm using my newest dragon scale dramatic glitter. And this is so simple and easy. You can just like, oh, look, I did it accidentally. Somehow I pick it up, it was upside down. So when it happened like that, just like knock it off and pick the new one. Hey, AX, Gracia. Thank you so much, love. Thanks so much for tuning in. gonna using this frame. I want to add some then add the crystal along with it. If you don't want the crystals along with this, you can absolutely do just dragon scale. And it's really nice that with tiny little connection, the edges between the dragon scale, you can add your crystal on. Try to adjusting with that. It'd be good if the base is just run a little bit when we're moving it. You can see, but it's not gonna bother us at all. So I'm adjusting it, and we can keep this one under the light for 60 seconds. All right, let me get a piece of paper. I'm gonna wipe it off on the side. So make sure that is all the extra condensed glue gels and the top coat will stay like nice and clean. And now we're gonna cure this. Great. 60 seconds.